everybody, my name is Angela. Thank you guys so much for coming to my channel. Today I am doing my November BoxyCharm unboxing. I'm really excited about all the products that I got this month, and I hope you guys enjoy watching what I got. Hey guys, so today we're going to be unboxing the November BoxyCharm. I'm really excited. I don't know what's in here. I've seen a few people open theirs, but I'm excited to see what I get. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay. We have a coupon for Natasha Denona. Said that way too fast. So there it is. It is NDX Boxy for anyone that wants to use it. And then BoxyCharm Harvest. So the card. And it has all the items in there, but I'm going to not read this yet. Okay, so first up, with Pallete. This is the Natasha Denona Pink Peak palette. I can't talk today. Like, what is up with my speaking? Okay, it's pretty. I like. Now, I have never used any Natasha Denona palettes, products, or anything, so this is my first time trying any of this stuff, so I'm really excited about this. So we'll do an eye look in a little bit. Okay, so next up, did not do a good job of doing that. Okay, so there's a lot of fun things in here. We've got Benefit Gimme Brow Plus in shade 4. So hopefully that's my shade. I already have my brows done, but this will be fun. I have not tried this one. I've tried some other Benefit brow items, but I haven't tried this one. So, yay! Always happy for brow stuff. I'm excited for these. Some MODA brushes. I love MODA. They make such great brushes. And these are both eye brushes. So we have a 2-piece Ultimate Eye Sculptors set. So we have a crease brush and a triad eye. Yay! I love MODA brushes. They are one of my favorite inexpensive brushes, and I'll go over what everything price-wise is at the end too. Okay, next up we have a Dr. Brandt Antioxidant Spray Toner. Ooh, I like Dr. Brandt stuff. With green and white tea extract. Ooh, it has tea in it, but it's not drinkable. But it's got tea in it, which is really good for your skin. So yay! I'm all for some Dr. Brandt. I love their skin products. And then last, we have Half-Caked Game Changer 3-Lip Fondants. Ooh, I've never tried this brand. It is babe tested, vegan approved, so it's vegan. That's nice. I'm cool for that. We're going to set the box over here. Let's open up and see what colors are in here. Oh, they have donuts on them. That's already super fun. Ooh, I like these colors. Like, these are colors I'll wear. Like, those are all 3 colors I'll wear. A red, a pinkish color, and a more, like, toned down, not quite nude, but pinkish nude. I guess the way to put them. So the colors are called Bordeaux, Low Key, and Theme Song. Bordeaux, Low Key, Theme Song. I'm excited for these. Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and swatch these two. Oh, I'm going to use these. These are so nice. And I love liquid lipsticks. Or liquid lip colors. Like, so we have Theme Song, Low Key, and Bordeaux. Like, look how pretty those are. Oh, they're... So the Natasha Denona palette. We're going to go ahead and swatch it on my arm. It's a nice nude color. Ooh, it's a nice rusty red. And we got our glitter shade. Oh, wow. That's super nice. Like, this is Aya, Jasper, Thorn, Amara, and Shine. I really like Shine. Shine is super pretty. Like, look how... you can't really see from there, but it's super glittery. So nice. Okay, well, I'm excited to actually put this on after I washed my hand off from where I swatched it. You can kind of see the colors on my finger. Oh, now you can see the shiny right there for Shine. Like, look how nice that is. Okay, so we're going to do our eyes with the Natasha Denona palette, the Peak palette. And we're going to go in with Thorn, so Thorn, and put that around our crease. Let's turn this on first. We're using the brushes that came in the box as well, the MODA brushes. Okay, it goes on nice. I like that. Blend it out a little bit. Let's get a little bit off the brush. Blend it out. Okay. Okay. Nice pigmentation. I like it. Okay, and then we're going to go on the lid with Amara. Let's get it off the brush. So we got Amara. They kind of blend in together. Well, you can tell a little bit of a difference. So, okay, nice, nice. I'm liking it so far. Okay, now we're going for shiny, because I love me some shiny. Oh, it's so pretty. I am loving this shiny. Oh, this is so pretty. I really love this. Like, my lighting is doing no justice for it. Let's see if we can turn the lighting down a little bit. Like, it's so pretty. Okay. These lights blow everything out. Okay, I am loving this. Okay, we're going to take a little bit of the light white color. That is Aya. And just put it right at the edge of my eyelid. Add some more of this sparkle. Let's do it with the finger. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, it's so shiny, it's so pretty. Okay, well, I'm gonna go and finish the other eye. Okay, and there's my finished eye look. It's a little bit brighter with the light shining on me, but it's super shiny, it's super pretty. Next up, we're gonna go in with the half-caked lip color, and this one is Theme Song. I like the smell. It has a kind of coconutty smell. But it kind of pairs well with the eyes. It's a little bright. I'd have to blot it a little bit. Add a gloss over it, and I think it would be good. But yeah, it's a little bright for this color eye makeup that I did. But I like the color either way. Like, these three right here, I'm super excited about using and wearing because all three of them will work great for me and the colors that I wear. But okay, so out of my box, the Natasha Denona palette was $48. So this retails for $48. I dropped a brush. The Dr. Brandt Antioxidant Spray Toner retails for $40. The Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel retails for $24. The Half-Caked Game Changer Lip Fondant Trio, these three, retail for $32. And then the MODA Ultimate Eye Sculptors brushes, the two brushes, retail for $15. So yeah, overall, I'm totally loving this month's box. Like, everything in here I will totally use, so that's super exciting. Well, that is my November BoxyCharm. All the items in my box retailed for about $169. Pretty good for something that I only pay $25 a month for, so that's great. And it's everything in it this month I will totally use. So that is fantastic. Thank you guys so much for watching my BoxyCharm review. If this is your first time at my channel, please consider liking this video and subscribing to me. It really does help, and I hope you guys have a fantastic week. Bye, guys!